When installing track lighting where no electrical box exists, several factors must be considered to ensure a safe and code-compliant installation. Firstly, concerning modifying a fixture to accept a cord. Yes, modifying the fixture is possible, but with strict precautions. One must use a proper bushing or clamp to protect the wire from any sharp edges that could damage the wire's insulation and cause a short circuit or fire hazard. 2. Ensure that the hole or notch created does not compromise the structural integrity of the fixture itself, potentially leading to it falling or becoming unstable. 3. Carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions for the fixture, as any modifications should align with their guidelines to maintain safety and proper functionality. Now, regarding the necessity of mounting the fixture on an electrical box, the answer is no. An electrical box is not required if the fixture is designed to be plugged into a receptacle. This approach is common for track lighting systems intended for easy installation and relocation, especially in rental situations where permanent wiring changes are undesirable or prohibited. As for directly screwing the track to joists and using a cord that plugs into the track, this method is acceptable, provided certain conditions are met. 1. Securely fasten the track to the joist using appropriate screws or bolts. The hardware should be capable of supporting the weight of the track and all of the attached lighting fixtures to prevent sagging or detachment. 2. The cord used must be rated for the power consumption of the entire track lighting system. Calculate the total wattage of all the fixtures that will be connected to the track and select a cord with an amperage rating that exceeds this value to prevent overheating and potential fire hazards. When undertaking any electrical work, adherence to codes and regulations is paramount. Consult local building codes and electrical regulations before proceeding with installation, as these can vary depending on the location. Generally, the following codes are applicable: the National Electrical Code, or NEC, specifically Articles 410, dealing with lighting fixtures, 422, addressing appliances, and 551, covering recreational vehicles and recreational vehicle parks, which may have relevant sections on low-voltage lighting systems. The NFPA 70, the National Electrical Safety Code, also provides guidelines for safe electrical installations. UL 1598, which covers safety standards for lighting fixtures, ensuring they meet specific requirements for construction and performance. Now, here is a suggested approach for installing track lighting in this scenario. Firstly, use a standard track system designed to be plugged into a receptacle. These systems are readily available and simplify the installation process while maintaining safety. Secondly, securely fasten the track to the joists using appropriate screws or bolts, ensuring that the track is firmly supported and will not sag or detach over time. Thirdly, install the desired lighting fixtures onto the track, following the manufacturer's instructions for proper placement and connection. Fourth, use a cord that is specifically rated for the power consumption of the track and all the connected fixtures. Overloading the cord can lead to overheating and potential fire hazards. Fifth, plug the cord into a functioning receptacle that meets the electrical requirements of the track lighting system. It is worth noting some additional points for consideration. The renter should be fully aware of any restrictions regarding alterations to the property. Review the lease agreement and communicate with the landlord or property manager to ensure that the installation is permitted and complies with any specific requirements they may have. If the track is heavy or will have multiple fixtures attached, consider using a support wire to provide additional support and prevent sagging. Attach the support wire to the track and secure it to a suitable anchor point in the ceiling structure. Regular maintenance is essential to ensure the safety and longevity of the track lighting system. Periodically inspect the track, fixtures, and cord for any signs of damage or wear. Replace any damaged components promptly and ensure that all connections are secure. In summary, installing track lighting without electrical boxes is feasible by taking the appropriate precautions and following the relevant codes and regulations. This includes modifying fixtures safely, ensuring secure mounting, using appropriately rated cords, and performing regular maintenance to ensure a safe and long-lasting lighting solution.